Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. So I popped into the Dollar Tree the other day. I meant to do this video earlier but didn't get around to it until now. There were a couple new items at my Dollar Tree. I actually haven't been going that much lately because I've just been so busy with other things. But I went in for a particular item and I ended up seeing some new items for the winter Christmas season, and I was excited to bring them home with me. Perhaps your Dollar Trees are getting all of their winter Christmas stuff in now. I have to say though, it does become depressing sometimes. I mean, it's exciting because you see the new items, but I do love fall, and it just seems like at the stores the season is over so quickly, too quick. But nevertheless, it's always exciting to find some new items, and I did, and I will show them to you if you stick around and watch this video. As always, here's an overview of the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start off the haul, I had some seasonal items. So I picked up these wood cubes. I don't always find these when I go to Dollar Tree, so this time I did find some. So I picked up 4. Not quite sure yet what I'm gonna do with them, but I'm sure I will use them somewhere. Then I came across this, which I thought was really nice. It's a decor. It has the jute twine so that you can hang it, and it is like the faux wood on the inside, and then it just looks like MDF all the way around, but it is a lifted frame from this piece here. So I thought these were really nice, and I'm excited to do something with these for the winter season. We'll see if I get around to them, but I did get 4 of those as well. And then I came across this little gadget, and I actually didn't even look at it properly because I thought they were a little gadget to knit or crochet, but it actually is finger guides. So you put your yarn, there's little, you can't really tell from the picture. Here you can see it better. There's little spaces in between, and you put the yarn through there, and I guess it holds the yarn. I have no idea. Like I said, I thought they were actually another way of knitting. I was wrong. So I do know a few people that do knit, so I probably will pass this on to them, but I thought for any of you that do knit, this might mean something to you. So I figured I would go ahead and show it. But yeah, for me that was a fail, but pretty neat though, for those of you who do knit and might find this really cool. Okay guys, so this is a repeat or repurchase. I did show these in my last Dollar Tree haul, but because I have my workspace slash guest house, I wanted to get a few of these to put in there as well, and I absolutely love these. These are the miniatures by Cobblestone Corner, and these particular ones you do need batteries for. I think last year was the first time that I seen these particular miniatures. The ones before that had the LED light where you pull the tab, but these you actually need AAA batteries, and they take 2, I believe it is. Yes, they take 2 AAA batteries each, and they are really, really nice. Because I didn't have so many items for this haul, I just decided to include the new ones that I purchased in here as well, so that you could see them if you haven't seen them already. So I did end up getting 5. I thought there was 6. The one that I did miss this time around was the cobblestone bed and breakfast. So I will have to look out for that one, but I think these are absolutely adorable. Now the ones that I did pick up for my workspace slash guest house, I think I may paint them white, all white. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I think that's what I'm going to be doing. This way I have a set that's all with the wonderful colors, and then the other one will just be all white. I think that's going to look really pretty as well. So I did pick up the super heavy duty AAA batteries from eCircuit at Dollar Tree so that I can use them for my miniatures. So next I picked up the LED lanterns. Now you may have seen these last year, possibly the year before. I can't remember how long they've been out, but when I did purchase these last year, I didn't find many of them. I found a couple of the red. These come in red, white, and green. The red have the deers, or the deers on the sides. The green had the tree, and then the white ones are snowflakes. And actually this year is the first time that I've seen the snowflakes. I did not see them last year. I did pick up a couple of the red with the deer for our motor home, and I have them in there. But I did take a picture of all three of them. I'll post it at the beginning of this video if you haven't seen them, so you could see what they look like. But I was really excited to come across the snowflakes. So I did pick up 4, and again, these are gonna go in my trailer, my work studio, and my guest house. So these, however, I have to look at the one that I picked up last year because I don't remember that one having to put AAA batteries in it, but maybe I just can't remember. But these ones you do. So I just remember it having the tab on it where you pull the tab and it has the battery already in there. But these ones you will need 2 AAA batteries. So it's good I got those 2 packs because I'll be able to have enough, I believe, to use them for these lanterns. And yeah, I thought they were really cute, and I will be using these in my trailer, as I said. And the last item that I have to show you was my favorite find of the day, and it's the Dinnerware by Dollar Tree. Now I'm hoping that they bring the large dinner plate out. I did not see that this time around, but possibly they hadn't unpacked everything yet. These were the items that I've seen so far. So this is probably one of my most favorite prints in the green, red, and white. And I was so excited to come across these because last year I did end up getting placemats from the Dollar Tree, and they are very similar to this pattern here. So these were the placemats, and I only got a few. I did end up using them as placemats, which I do want to keep them for my dining room table. So I did hope that Dollar Tree comes out with these again, being that this year's pattern is this. And I would like to grab a few more so that I can make some accent pillows. I think that would be really nice to add the pop of color in my workspace trailer slash guest house. So hopefully they will bring them out. But I'll start with the tray, and these are the plastic rectangular trays that Dollar Tree has come out with in the past in different colors. But how cute is this? And then I ended up picking up in this pattern they had 3 different sayings. So they had home for the holidays. Now in the bowls they have the saying written on the inside of the bowl, and then the outside has the pattern on the upper part of the bowl. And then it had the mug that goes with it. as well as the smaller plate or the dessert plate. Then they had Joy, again with the dessert plate and the bowl. And then the third one that I picked up was The Most Wonderful Time of the Year. And then again, the dessert plate and the bowl. So this was really a nice find, especially because, as I said, I just love this pattern, and I think it's gonna look really cute, adding that pop of color that I love for the winter season. Well guys, that will do it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please share the video, like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.